Tape, when I tape, you tape, we tape. Put my hand upon your tape. When I tape, you tape, we tape. All right, today on Unpacked, we are going to be taking a look at some packaging from a brand called JLab. And if you haven't heard from these guys, you probably find their stuff just about anywhere right now. You could pick these up at, Walmart or Walgreens or wherever. From Walmart to Walgreens. Anyways, they have really taken a serious approach to sustainability and recyclability of their packaging. And not too long ago, kind of redesigned all of it. In fact, right here on the top, there's a recycling logo on this tab here, this hook. And then there's a 100% recyclable packaging on the back of that. And it's pretty cool. So I wanted to take a look at it today. Let's dig in here, cut this little sticker across the back. So I'm gonna say first out, they show scissors on the top and bottom tape. They're using the same little pieces of tape to use it. This appears maybe more as if it was meant to open from the bottom, not the top, because that was much more of a pain than I'm sure opening from the bottom would have been. Anyways, let's slide out what's going on here. So pretty simplistic box. This is, I think, one of the things that they've done pretty well. First of all, this thing's gorgeous. They did a really nice job. Spot varnish finishes on this case. The graphics are cool. And I love the headphones. This is, in replacement of a lot of times you have those plastic hang tabs on there. And they wanted to make this out of more robust material than the box, so they've created it as a secondary insert here. Then we've got the simplistic little insert that goes in here. Headphones pop right out of that, and the gel cushion tips and quick start guide are here somewhere. Well, there we go. There's an arrow implying that you should pull that out. But it's actually on the underside here. Here we go. There's the gel tips. Really, really neat packaging. But I love the intentionality around recyclability. I love the simplicity of these inserts. So maybe a tiny couple of communication things that would make this a little easier to open. Yeah, overall, great job, JLab. Love the stuff that they're doing. Love the work that's going on there, and some cool people. Thanks for watching. If you guys have seen anything we should check out, let us know in the comments below. And in the meantime, I'm gonna party on.